Hi, this is Mr. Urrego, and today we're going to find trinomials. These type of trinomials, if you notice, they don't have a leading coefficient. So you have 1 by default. No leading coefficient, only thing 1, right? Not like 2 or 3 or 4, any other number. So these trinomials are easy to factor. How do we factor this out? Okay, because we have a trinomial, then we want to know what two numbers, when you multiply, and I'm going to write product here, okay, you get a 6. And when you add or subtract, and I'm going to write here a sum, you get a negative 5. Okay? So two numbers that you multiply, you get 6, and when you when you add or subtract, you get negative 5. So you have two choices. You have 6 and 1, and 3 and 2. No more than that. Now remember, my product has to be positive. So you either get a positive 6 by multiplying two positive numbers, or by multiplying two negative numbers. And now, the reason that I'm saying two negative numbers is because if you notice, your sum is negative 5. So 6 plus 1 is not negative 5. 3 plus 2 is 5, not negative 5. So in order for you to get a negative 5, that means these two numbers have to be negative. Negative 3 times negative 2 is positive 6. Negative 3 minus 2 is negative 5. So these are my two numbers, negative 3 and negative 2. Now to write the answer, now that I have my numbers, it's just you come over here and you open two parentheses, two factors. The x squared breaks into x, and you bring down your negative 3 and negative 2. And that's your answer. Okay? Now, that's your answer for number 1. Now let's do number 2. If you notice from number 2 and negative 1, they're kind of the same thing. The only difference is, instead of positive, you get a negative 6. So the way of getting the numbers is the same way. Okay, you need the product, and I'm just going to write the P. You need a product of negative 6, and the sum is going to be negative 5. Two numbers here, two numbers there. Now, I'm going to show you a little shortcut that I have, which means you have the x squared, and you know that it's going to break into x and x. Okay, now, okay, I should do this a little bit. Let's get some space over here now that I already put the x right there. Okay, so x and x. The first sign from the x term comes over here to my first parenthesis. And you multiply this times the second one, negative 5 times negative 6. I'm sorry, negative times negative is positive. You're just looking for the signs. Now, if you notice, on the first problem, both of them were negatives. Now, according to this, negative over here and negative times negative is positive. According to this, I want to have two numbers with different signs. All right? So let's go back. How do you get a 6? You get either by 6 times 1, and let's put it over here. You either get it by 6 times 1 or 3 times 2. The product is negative. If you notice, I'm going to have a negative and a positive. So that means two numbers, the one is negative and the other one is positive, you get a negative 6. So you try it over here, negative 6 and positive 1 is going to give you the negative 6, and negative 6 plus 1 is going to give you negative 5. So what I'm saying is the following. The trick that I show you was to know if both numbers are negative or both numbers are positive, or what kind of signs you're looking for, and then it's easy for you to check for the numbers. Okay? Thank you very much for watching. I'll be learning from these videos. If you do, please make sure you subscribe to our channel and hit the notifications bell so you get notified as soon as we upload videos. Visit our webpage, like us on Facebook, and most importantly, share this video, please. Put it on Instagram, Facebook, Snapchat, share with your friends, your family. Help us reach a lot of people so we can get a lot of subscribers and a lot of views. That's going to support our channel. That's the idea. We help you, you help us. All right? Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you next time.